Hi, my name's Amber Rust. I'm the head photographer at Two Color Photography. We're inside my gorgeous little newborn studio and we're going to do another Price is Right video in our series. So I've got these gorgeous colors that I'm very excited. I love them. We're going to use them in kind of a holiday. We're hitting December. So I've got these beautiful pieces. We have taken a picture, posted it in our Facebook group, asking how much everybody thinks this little setup, including the matte floor, is worth. So I've gotten some responses, we've gotten some great shares from people. So we're gonna take it apart. This gorgeous halo from Prissy Princess. And I just have to say, she is one of my favorite vendors. She has treated me like family. She custom made this piece for me for my little niece when she was born. It's a special little story. My niece was adopted and it was just very special for our family. And when I let her know what exciting news our family had, she treated us like family and sent me a couple of really pretty custom pieces. So this is from Prissy Princess, $34.99. This is from Swaddle Pro. It's a gorgeous wrap. It's $18. Nice and long and pretty. And then this layer, this woolen layer, also from Swaddle Pro, they obviously coordinate really well, is $70. Very pretty. So this gorgeous bowl is from Princess and the Pea, and it is $95. And then the mat that I'm sitting on is from Intuitions by Becky. It's one of their matte floors, really quite cool. I feel like the texture more matches what you would see a wood texture versus the paper backdrops, some of the paper backdrops I have. And it is $165. I usually buy 2 of them so that I can have a wall and a floor so I can photograph straight on or I can photograph up above. So $165 from Intuitions by Becky. And the math on that, we're gonna pull up our mather calculator. $165 for the floor, $95 for the bowl, $70 for the layer, $18 for the wrap, and $34 for the headband. Did I get everything? So this setup totals $382. So whoever was closest to our $382 guess, we will be sending you a fun little prize with the Baby Photo Academy logo on it. We will be contacting you. If you guessed above 382, just like in The Price is Right, you're eliminated. If you guessed below it, you're still in the running. So we will be in touch with you if you won our little Price is Right game. Thank you for joining us for this fun little short clip, and we will talk to you later. Please subscribe to our channel, click the bell so you receive notifications every time we post new videos. Talk to you later. Bye.